Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. This fall, while we're all getting excited about pumpkins, cozy sweaters, and warm spiced drinks, you cannot forget something: fall cleaning. It is the perfect time to tackle those overlooked spots in your home. So today, I've got for you some must-do fall cleaning tips and some amazing microfiber towels, dusters, and products. Trust me, now is the time to get a thorough cleaning in. Let's dive right in. First up, dusting high and low. Let's start with the ceilings, high shelves, and air vents. To really tackle this job, I love using the Microfiber Extendable Flex Duster. This thing can reach up high without me having to grab a ladder. Plus, the fibers trap dust and dirt instead of just pushing it around. Now it's time to get into the lower areas where dust settles before your eyes and you tend to overlook: decor pieces, furniture, mirrors, faux plants, and so on. This is why I love using the CleanAide Electrostatic Duster to give them a quick refresh. The fibers trap dust easily and make it barely a task. Next up, those baseboards. They get dusty really fast and even collect dirt and grime from shoes and pets. That's why we're using the microfiber cleaning towels from CleanAide to tackle this job. They're soft, absorbent, and can grab all the dust and dirt without scratching your walls or furniture. You can use them dry or slightly dampened with a bit of water or a cleaner. Easy peasy. Now let's talk about light fixtures and chandeliers. It's easy for dust and bugs to accumulate up there, but with a few simple tools you can make them sparkle again. That's why I love using our CleanAide Premium Edgeless Cleaning Towels. It's narrow enough to get into all those small spaces and the fibers really trap all that dirt. If the grime's been sitting for a while, a little all-purpose cleaner or vinegar and dish soap mix goes a long way. And for the glass on our windows and cabinets, nothing beats our Glass Weave glass cleaning towels. Designed specifically for glass with their tight, flat pile that ensures a crystal clear shine. Fall is also the time to freshen up your couches and lounge chairs, especially if you've been using them all summer. Grab a microfiber towel and just lightly dampen it with some fabric cleaner. Then gently wipe down the sofas. If you have cushions with pet hair stuck on it, use our mini pet hair removal tool. It lifts pet hair and lint easily. Plus, you can use the same tool to freshen up the carpets if you have pet hair tangled in the fibers. One of the most overlooked areas to clean? High touch spots like door handles, light switches, and even remote controls. If you're like me, you know that these spots get used a lot. Reusable microfiber wipes, more specifically our micro wipes, are perfect for disinfecting these surfaces because they don't leave streaks and they trap all the bacteria and dust without harsh chemicals. Have a box around your living areas or bedrooms for a quick grab and use solution. It's a fast and easy way to keep things clean and fresh. Once done, collect them and run them through the washer to reuse. And don't forget your electronics. Your TVs, laptops, and tablet screens can get dusty faster than you think. Our Suede microfiber edgeless towels are ideal for the job. They're gentle enough to not scratch the screens and pick up dust without leaving residue behind. You'll be amazed at how clean your screens look with just a quick wipe. And for smaller screens, be sure to use our compatible micro pads that come in little storage cases. They're perfect for phones, watch screens, and even for your glasses. And there you have it, some of the most important fall cleaning tasks that you can do in your home to get ready for the season. And don't forget, using the right tools like these microfiber towels, dusters, and products makes all the difference. If you are interested in any of these products, be sure to check out the description below. It's gonna have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, turning on the notification bell, and be sure to leave a comment on what kind of videos you want to see next. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy fall!